What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. I've got my new grow tent in. Gonna start putting that up, and that will give me a better setup so I can start to give you guys some content that isn't so homegrown, if you will. But I don't know, I kind of enjoy it like this. This plant right here is Nepenthes spatulata by truncata, and beautiful species, or hybrid rather. If you get a chance, I would highly recommend it. Predatory Plants has it at times. But the thing I want to talk about is repotting your plants. Repotting your plants helps out a lot for growth. So here was the last leaf, all right? And so I repotted it at this leaf, and now here's the new one. So you can see just an absolutely huge difference. Nepenthes are just like any other plants, right? When they start getting a repot, it lets their roots know, like, hey, I can spread my feet out and grow. It gives it a stronger base, puts out more energy on the plant. So I highly recommend repotting your plants. Not a lot. Nepenthes are epiphytic, so they don't really have a huge root system, but it is good to have a repot on them every year, maybe, or you could even do it sooner than that if you want. But that also helps keep the medium, because it will break down. Sphagnum moss will break down and it gets mushy and won't dry out as fast, and that could cause root rot. So I highly recommend repots, and yeah, hope you guys have a great day.